Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare simple Greek style lemony smashed potatoes. They are easy to make and so delicious. They can be served as a snack by itself or you can pair them with your meals, especially the grilled meats. They pair very well with the grilled meats on the side. So shall we get started and make these lemony smashed potatoes?
Greek style lemony smashed potatoes. Flavorful, tangy, and irresistible. For this, we'll take baby potatoes as needed. I've taken about 10 of them. Wash them very well. Oregano 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, salt as needed, crushed black pepper 1 teaspoon, garlic 1 tablespoon, olive oil 2 tablespoons, melted butter 2 tablespoons. You can also see the list in the description box. Put the potatoes in a pot with water and boil them. Meanwhile, let's mix all the dressing ingredients. If you are a first time visitor, do consider subscribing and also click the bell icon and choose the all option so that you don't miss out any notifications. Now let's whisk all these ingredients very well. Now this is done. Cover and set it aside. Now let's check the potatoes after 10 minutes. The smaller ones are done. We have 2 sizes here. Let's remove the smaller ones. Add some more water and continue boiling them. Alternately, you could also use a pressure cooker if you are short of time. Now after 10 more minutes, these potatoes should be done. Yeah. Remove them also. If you are using a pressure cooker, be very careful. Just boil them for 1 whistle because we don't want to overcook them. Let them cool a bit. Now take a baking tray and grease it. Also, grease the reverse side of a glass. This will be used to flatten the potatoes. Now take the potatoes one by one, put them on the tray and smash them with a glass. This is so much fun. You can actually ask your kids to do this for you. They'll enjoy it. And they'll be happy that they made the snack themselves. After smashing few potatoes, you can again grease the glass so that they don't get stuck. Now all the potatoes are done. Take the dressing, give it a nice mix. Using a brush, spread it over the potatoes. It's very, very flavorful dressing. Now carefully we are going to flip the side. If you want to experiment with Indian flavors, you can go ahead and do that also. Mint and coriander flavor, pav bhaji flavor, South Indian podi, gunpowder flavor. There are so many options you can try out. Now repeat on the other side as well. While you are doing this, you can preheat the oven. Now bake these potatoes at 280°C for 15 minutes. And further 5 more minutes using the top grill so that they get nice and crispy. Delicious smashed potatoes are ready. Enjoy them as a snack or a side dish with your meals, especially the grilled meats. They pair very well. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. See you soon with another interesting recipe.